Hello, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Ostrike, and today we'll be working in your Go Math book, lesson 13.2 on page 723. Yesterday we worked on perimeter. Today we will work on area. Okay, what is our essential question? How can you use a formula to find the area of a rectangle? Okay. Unlock the problem. The base B of a two-dimensional figure can be any side. The height is the measure of a perpendicular line segment from the base to the top of the figure. So here we have three different rectangles. The base is the bottom, the bottom, the bottom. Okay, so remember B equals bottom, that's the base. The height is on the side. Okay. The area, which they want us to find, is the number of square units needed to cover a flat surface. A square unit is a square that is 1 unit long and 1 unit wide. To find the area of a figure, count the number of square units inside the figure. Okay. Let's see. Unlock the problem. How are the base, height, and area of a rectangle related? Let's complete the table to find the area. The base here is 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The height is 3 units. 1, 2, 3. So the height is 3 units. So what they told us to do is count how many units are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the area is 15. And when you're working with area, you have to write square units. Square units. Okay, let's go to the next one. What is the base? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 units. 8 units. What is the height? 1, 2. 2 units. Okay, if we count all the units, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have 16. I'm just going to write S units, square units. Okay, the last one. What's our base? 1, 2, 3. 3 units. Make sure you're writing this information down in your Go Math book, page 723. And what is the height? 1, 2, 3. 3 units. TS. So what is the area? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 square units. Well, what do I notice? What do you notice? What I notice is if I take the base and multiply it by the height, I will get the area. Let's see if that's true. If I take my base, which is 8, and multiply by my height, which is 2, I will get my area of 16. If I take my base, which is 3, multiply it by my height of 3, I will get my answer 9 square units. So to find area, A equals area equals base times height. This is much easier to calculate instead of counting all the boxes inside a figure. Let's go to the next page. Here it says, you can use a formula to find the area. Here is your rectangle, here is your base, and here is your height. Our formula is area A equals B base times H is height. Okay, let's try this now on our own. Okay, we have a rectangle here. Our base is 6 feet. So we will type in here, B is 6 feet. Our height is 2 feet. So the area is 6 times 2 is 12. 12 square. And now, instead of units, we need to put feet. 12 square feet. Okay, next one. Here we have a square. Our square is our base times the height. So our base is 2. Our height is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So the area is 4 square. And what is it? M, square meters. You could just write M. Okay, we did those 2 problems. We will go just to the bottom of that page. Unlock the problem. Let's see, write a formula for the area of a square. Use the letter A for area. Use the letter S for a side because it's a square. So here we have a square, and what do we know about the square? We know that all of these sides are the same. So if they only give you 1 square, which is 3, I know that I can do formula area equals S the square. If I know this is 3, then I know this is 3 times this other side. So the area of this equals 3 times 3. The area equals 9. Now, let me just explain to you. You have your backyard. Let me fix that. Okay, here's your backyard. You have a fence around your backyard. This is 6, and this is 4. You have a fence around your backyard. How big is the fence? Well, if I'm measuring the outside of my backyard, I need to find my perimeter. Perimeter equals 2 times the length plus 2 times the height. So the perimeter equals 2 times 6 plus 2 times 4. So 6 times 4 is 12. 4 times 2 is 8. So my perimeter equals 20. So that's perimeter. That's the lesson we did yesterday. The area is this part, the inside, the grass, the inside of your backyard. Area equals base times height. So your area equals 6 times 4. So the area of your backyard is 24. Do you see the difference between perimeter and area? Perimeter is the outside, area is the inside. Okay, boys and girls. On your own, you will do the bottom, you will complete the bottom of page 724. Go to page 725. Do numbers 2 through 10. After you finish that, please look on Google Classroom and you will have another assignment to do, which is Go Math. And I will give you 2 or 3 problems to solve so I can see that you understand this. Okay, boys and girls, have fun.